Good morning, students. This video session is for class 2nd students, subject Mathematics, term 2, chapter number 1. And the name of the chapter is Multiplication. This is our summary lecture number 1. Today's topic is revision of chapter number 1, Multiplication. So, beta, today we will learn again the full chapter of multiplication. Okay. Now let's start from properties. So here property number 1 of multiplication, that is multiplying by 0. So beta, when a number is multiplied by 0, the answer is always 0. जब हम किसी नंबर को 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो हमारा आंसर हमेशा 0 आता है. Okay, let's see with an example. 5 times 0. 5 times 0 मतलब 5 बार 0 यानी कि 0. Okay, and 5 multiplied by 0 is 0. Understood beta? Here times means multiplication. Now in property number 2 of multiplication, multiplying by 1. So here we will multiply a number by 1. So when a number is multiplied by 1, the answer is the number itself. जब हम किसी नंबर को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो हमारा आंसर वही नंबर आता है. Okay, let's see example. 7 times 1 यानी कि 7 बार 1. 7 बार 1 means 7. Okay, and 7 multiplied by 1 is 7. Okay, now property number 3 of multiplication, order of multiplication. So here a change in the order of the numbers to be multiplied does not change answer. So बेटा, जब हम ऑर्डर चेंज करते हैं नंबर्स का मल्टीप्लिकेशन में तो उसका आंसर चेंज नहीं होता. ओके, आंसर हमेशा सेम रहता है. लेट्स सी हियर 5 times 4. So बेटा 5 times 4 means 20. Okay, or we can say 4 times 5. So here that is also equal to 20. Okay, so here how we can write it? 5 multiplied by 4. So 5 fours are 20, or 4 times 5 means 4 multiplied by 5. That is also equal to 20. So understood? Here we have changed the order. Here 5 is at first number and 4 is at second number. And in this figure 4 is at first number and 5 is at second number. But the answer remains same in both the cases. Here the 20 is given and here also the answer is 20. Now double the numbers. So here beta, double means दो गुना. Okay, double means 2 times of a number. एक नंबर का दो गुना. Add the numbers twice or multiply by 2 and get the double. या तो आप एक नंबर को दो बार ऐड करो या फिर आप उस नंबर को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करो. ठीक है, we will get the double of that number. Let's see with an example. Double of 3 is 6. 3 का डबल यानी कि 3 multiplied by 2. Okay, so that is equal to 6. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. तो यहाँ पर हमने 3 और 3 को 2 times प्लस किया है तो हमारा आंसर क्या आया? 6. और यहाँ पे हमने 3 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया है एंड वी गेट 6. अंडरस्टूड बेटा? नाउ in question number 1, solve the following. Double of 7 is equal to dash. So here beta, first we have to solve double of 7. So double of 7 means 7 multiplied by 2. So 7 twos are 14. Okay, so our answer is 1 4 14. Now in B part, double of 5 is dash. So here we have to multiply 5 by 2. So 5 twos are 10. So our answer is 1, 0, 10. Now in C part, double of 9 is dash. So double of 9 means 9 multiplied by 2, and that is equal to 18. 9 twos are 18. Now in D part, double of 11 is dash. So double of 11 means 11 multiplied by 2, and 11 twos are 22. Now in E part, double of 12 is dash. So double of 12 means 12 multiplied by 2, and that is equal to 24. Now in question number 2, we have to multiply a number by 10, and when we multiply a number by 10, we have to add a 0 to the right of the numbers. Let's see. Here in A part, 2 multiplied by 10 is equal to dash. So here the number is 2, and now we will add 0 to the right of the number. So the number becomes 2020. Okay. Now in B part, 1 multiplied by 10 is equal to dash. So here the number is 1, and we are adding 0 to the right of the number, and that is equal to 1010. Now in C part, 5 multiplied by 10 is equal to dash. So here 5 is the number, and we have to multiply it by 10. So we will add 0 to the right of the 5. So the number becomes 5050. Now in D part, 7 multiplied by 10. So here the number is 7, and we have to multiply it by 10. So we will add 0 to the right of 7, and the number becomes 7070. Now in E part, the number given is 10, and we have to multiply it by 10. So 10 is the number, so we will add one more 0 to the right of this number. So 10 and 1 0 more, it becomes 100. So our answer is 100. Now in question number 3, it is given write true or false. So beta, here true means sahi or false means galat. So which statement is correct, we will write true, and which statement is wrong, we will write false. Okay, so let's start. So here in A part, it is given 7 multiplied by 9 is equal to 63. So let's start speaking table of 7, and let's see what is the answer when we multiply 7 by 9. So 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 sixes are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 56, 7 nines are 63, and here the answer is 63. So this statement is correct. So we will write true for it. Okay. Now in B part, it is given 8 multiplied by 4 is equal to 40. So here let's start speaking table of 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32. So here the answer should be 32, but it is written 40. It means this statement is wrong. So we will write false. Now in C part, 4 multiplied by 9 is equal to 9 multiplied by 6. This is the order property, but here it is given 4 multiplied by 9, and here it is given 9 multiplied by 6, and that's not correct. So we will write false. Okay. Now in D part, 5 multiplied by 1 is equal to 0. So 5 multiplied by 1, our answer should be 5, but it is given 0. So this statement is also false. So we will write false here. Now in E part, double means 2 times of a number. Double का क्या मतलब होता है? उसका number का दोगुना? Yes. So this statement is true. So we will write true for it. Understood, beta? Now in question number 4, it is given fill in the blanks. So here in A part, it is given 9 multiplied by 10. So 9 tens are 90. So we'll write 90 here in this blank. Now in B part, it is given 8 plus 8 plus 8. So here you can see beta 8 is repeated. Every time 8 is repeated. Okay. And we have to write it in the form of multiplication. So here how many times 8 is repeated? That is 3 times. Okay. So we will write 3 here in this column and 8 here in this blank. Now in C part, 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. So here how many times 7 is repeated? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times. So first of all we will write 5 and then we will write 7. Now in D part, 4 multiplied by 6. So here we have to speak the table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fives are 20, 4 six are 24. So we will write 24 here in this blank. Now in E part, 3 multiplied by 5. So here we have to speak the table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15. So we'll write 15 here in this blank. Now in F part, 9 plus 9. So here 9 is repeated. How many times? 1, 2. Only 2 times. So first of all we will write 2 here in this blank and 9 here in this blank. Now in G part, 6 multiplied by 2 and that is equal to 12. So we'll write 12 in this blank. Now in question number 5, multiple choice questions. So here beta, we will learn how to solve a multiple choice question. So in question number 1, when we multiply a number by 1, we get. So here beta, we have given 4 options and we have to write the correct option. Okay, or tick the correct option. When we multiply a number by 1, जब हम किसी नंबर को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो हमें क्या आंसर मिलता है? 0 in A part, in B part 1, in C part number itself and in D part none of these. None of these का मतलब होता है इनमें से कोई भी नहीं. Okay, so here I told you earlier that when we multiply a number by 1, we get the number itself. So here in C option, the answer is correct. Okay, so option C is correct. Now in question number 2, 7 multiplied by 7 is equal to dash. So here we have to speak the table of 7. So let's start. In A part it is given 35, in B part 49, in C part 56 and in D part 0. Okay, so let's start speaking table of 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 six are 42, 7 sevens are 49. So in which option it is given? It is given in option number B. So option B is correct. Okay. Now in third question, 89 multiplied by 8 is equal to dash multiplied by 89. So here this is the order property of multiplication. So which number comes here in this blank? In A part it is given 89, in B 23, in C 8 and in D part 1. So here we have to write 8. Okay, so this is given in option number C. So option C is correct. Now in question number 4, 95 multiplied by 0 is equal to dash. So options are A0, B95, C1 and D9. So when we multiply a number by 0, we get 0. So this is an option number A. So option A is correct. Understood beta? Now find the product. So beta, here we have to multiply the questions. So let's start. In question number 1, it is given multiply 101 by 5. So here 101 is the multiplicand and 5 is the multiplier. So first of all we will write 3 places, ones, tens and hundreds. Then we will write 101 the multiplicand and then 5. Now we will start from our ones place. So 5 multiplied by 1, and 5 ones are 5. So we will write 5 here in ones place column. Now we have to multiply 5 by 0, and 5 multiplied by 0 is 0. So we will write 0 here in tens place column. Now 5 multiplied by 1 again. So we get 5. We will write 5 here in hundreds place column. So what is the product of this? That is 505. Now in question number 2, multiply 213 by 3. Here 213 is the multiplicand and 3 is the multiplier. So first of all we will add 3 places, ones, tens and hundreds. Then 213 multiplicand and 3 multiplier. So let's start from our ones place. 3 multiplied by 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. So we'll write 9 here in ones place column. Now 3 multiplied by 1. So 3 ones are 3. So we'll write 3 here in tens place column. Now we have to multiply 3 by 2. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So we'll write 6 here at hundreds place column. So what is our product? That is 639. Now beta, in question number 3 it is given multiply 209 by 4. So here 209 is the multiplicand and 4 is the multiplier. So first of all we will write 3 places, ones, tens and hundreds. Then 209 and then 4. Now we will start from our ones place. Here we have to speak the table of 4 up to 9. So 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 6 are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 nines are 36. So 36 is 2-digit answer. So we will write 6 here at ones place column and 3 will be carry over at tens place column. Now we have to multiply 4 by 0. So 4 zeros are 0 and now we have to add carry digit. So 0 plus 3 is 3. So we'll write 3 here at tens place column. Now we have to multiply 4 by 2. So 4 twos are 8. So we will write 8 here at hundreds place column. Now in question number 4, it is given multiply 128 by 3. So here 128 is the multiplicand and 3 is the multiplier. So first of all we will write 3 places, ones, tens and hundreds, and then 128 and then 3. Now we will start from our ones place. Here we have to speak the table of 3 up to 8. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24. So here 24 is 2-digit answer. So we will write 4 here at ones place column and 2 will be carry over at tens place column. Now we have to multiply 3 by 2. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Now we have to add carry digit 2 in 6. So 2 plus 6 is 8. So we will write 8 here at tens place column. Now we have to multiply 3 by 1. So 3 ones are 3. So what is our product? Our product is 384. Okay. Number 5. It is given multiply 469 by 2. So first of all 469 is the multiplicand and 2 is the multiplier. So we'll write places, ones, tens and hundreds, then 469 and then 2. Now we have to multiply 2 by 9. So 2 nines are 18. So we'll write 8 here at ones place column and 1 will be carry over at tens place column. Now we have to multiply 2 by 6 and 2 6 are 12. So 12 plus 1, that is 13. So we write 3 here at tens place column and 1 will be carry over at hundreds place column. Now 2 multiplied by 4 and 2 fours are 8. Now we have to add carry digit. So 8 plus 1 is 9. So we write 9 here at hundreds place column. So our product is 938. Now in question number 6, multiply 128 by 7. So here 128 is the multiplicand and 7 is the multiplier. So first of all we will write places ones, tens and hundreds, then 128 and then 7. So let's start from our ones place. 7 multiplied by 8. So 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 six are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 56. So here we will write 6 at ones place column and 5 will be carry over at tens place column. Now we have to speak the table of 7 up to 2. So 7 multiplied by 2 is 14. Now we have to add a carry digit. So 14 plus 5 is 19. So we will write 9 here at tens place column and 1 will be carry over at hundreds place column. Now 7 multiplied by 1. So 7 ones are 7. So 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. So we'll write 8 here at hundreds place column. So our answer is 896. Now in this word problem sum question number 7, it is given there are 34 students in a class. एक class में 34 students हैं. How many students are there in 6 classes? तो बताइए अगर same number of students हैं तो बताइए 6 classes में कितने students हैं? So here we have given the information about one class and we have to find out for 6 classes. Okay. So here what we will do in this question, we will multiply. So first of all we will write places ones and tens. Okay. Then 34 and then 6. So here we have to speak the table of 6. So we will start from our ones place. 6 multiplied by 4. So 6 fours are 24. So 24 is 2-digit answer. So we will write 4 here at ones place column and 2 will be carry over at tens place column. Now 6 multiplied by 3 and 6 threes are 18. So 18 plus 2, 19, 20. So we will write 0 here at tens place column and 2 here at hundreds place column. And here we will write H the place. Okay. So our answer is 204. So how we will write it? 204 students. Okay. The word that is given after how many, we have to write that in the answers. Okay. Now today's homework, do assignment number 2 of chapter number 1 multiplication. Beta, you have to revise the full chapter because on Tuesday 14th July your test will be there. Okay. Thank you.